Our short phrase and sentence for you today is meghere m ọnụ ụzọ. Some will simply say meghere m ụzọ, and this means open the door for me. And when we say this to you, what is the response expected of you? You will simply say emeghego m ya, emeghego m ya, which means I have opened it. Take note of the color of each word that make up the phrase or sentence, as they are meant to give you an idea of their respective meanings. This will help you to understand the structure of the sentence and apply it correctly. Please go out there and practice this. As you come back from work today, ask your children, or you come back from school, ask your parents, meghere m ọnụ ụzọ. And when they do, you expect them to say, emeghego m ya, I have opened it. Practice it over and over again and get used to it. And as you do, remember to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss our next upload. Also like and comment. They can help others to discover this and help us to serve you better. God bless you.